Earth is the only known planet to maintain life. Earth's unique position in our solar system makes this planet a wonderful place for plethora of animals that we see today. What makes our Earth so special? Well, are you excited to find out how water comes into our Earth? Or the water we see today is always there before life? Is the water extraterrestrial? Why we can't find the liquid surface water anywhere else? As we know, where there is water, there is life. Earth exhibits millions of life forms as its precious property with some of the beautiful natural landscapes, streams, seas, forests and icy mountains. Then what are these landscapes? Why cloud is formed? What is the cause of evolution of all the life forms? How peculiar and strange they are? How humans evolved? How humans have dominated all over the world? What is our history? How science has helped us to understand what we are now? Our sweet little planet is full of questions and curiosity to tickle your 99 million brain cells. Are you ready to explore all this how and why? Well, let's explore all these questions with us about our home planet, our Earth.